Hello.
Hi.
Oh, I thought this was a restaurant or something. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are here at Storms River along the Maiden Garden routes, and drove here because we want to do some fun activity about water tubing. And now we are heading to the office to see how much it costs. It's black water tubing. It's all about it. Looks like fun. Let's see how much it costs.
What's that sign? You said to show up and see what's going on.
Okay.
You probably eat something and come back or something. But like, what can you
How
tell us
many
about?
people are you?
We have 4 of us.
If you want to go now, then there's no time to explain stuff.
It's okay.
As the trip is going out now.
So when is the next trip?
So what I can do is I can make a trip for 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock. Okay.
It's okay.
And let's see what time it is now.
It's 10:30.
Yeah, sure. Well, can you tell us about the tubing? Like what?
Okay. So the black water tubing is 3 hours, you hour and a half on the river.
It's 3 hours and
You hour and a half on the river. It's a combination of stand-up paddleboarding and tubing.
Oh, cool.
stand-up paddleboarding.
And tubing. So.
I don't know if I'm not good at that. Like, I don't know.
And then, in fact, there's the green route.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah,
Is there any
it's
part that's just
magical.
tubing and not? You know, if I don't want to paddleboard,
Then you don't have to, so it's not a must.
okay, got it. Okay, I may try that. Or tubing, I'll
How
do
much is it?
So it's 820 per person.
I mean, is there any possibility we like go now or?
No.
If you guys go now, then I have to stop them now.
Okay, we don't want to do that.
No, that's what you want. You can eat whatever, do lunch first. We can also maybe still drive by the reserve. Do you know how far away the reserve is?
So
It's a
the
common
national park, if you go out of Storms River,
Yeah.
so then you would go as if you guys are going to go towards the toll gates. So then you will see on your left hand side there's a board that states Storms River Mall.
Okay.
So
I
it's
think
a
1 o'clock.
20-minute
It'd be
drive.
fun. You could do that and then get a what's it called afterwards.
You have to go to Port Elizabeth.
It's easy.
Okay, well, I'll do whatever you say, Mike. You know that.
Let's do it.
I guess
1 o'clock.
You sure?
This will be my second time doing tubing.
Second time. When did we ever do tubing before?
In Uganda, we did tubing.
That's right, we did that.
Yeah.
You live such an exciting life, don't you? Do you?
We are
do.
living such an exciting.
It's your world and I'm just living in it. You're so pretty.
Thank you.
Isn't she pretty? Isn't she the most beautiful?
Thank you.
All right, let's get your bathing suit out.
Okay. So guys, we are back. We went out to have lunch and now we are back. We really want to do the black water tubing so bad. And the reason why they call it black water tubing is because the water is black, as you can see from here. And of course that's optional if you want to jump to the river like that. That's so optional. And this how the area looks like. I wish I had a drone to, you know, capture the aerial view, but we'll get there someday. So this is what we're gonna do today, and we're gonna do 4 of us, me, my husband, and my co-parents, probably the Basin family. This will be my second time, of course, doing this. It's fun, and I'm glad you guys gonna enjoy it with me. Guys, we are gonna do some briefing, and then I need to change into my costume, and then off we go. It's a 3-hour guided tour. It's so fun. And my husband.
Can you believe I'm her husband? I mean, she kind of compromised a bit, no? So, kind of a few steps down.
No. You're great. You're very great. Okay.
Well, I know one thing. You didn't marry me for my nyash.
But you did.
I married you for nyash. 100%.
Yeah, I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna. Looks romantic to sit here. Okay. I'm gonna sit here so that I can capture him. I wanna capture you, so
We're gonna make you a star.
I'm gonna sit here to get a good view of you.
Sounds good. All right. Good afternoon. Hello. First of all, welcome. Yeah, Blackwater Tubing, also at Tubing X. My name is Sheldon. I'm the leader of the trip. Okay. This is Luke. So the two of us will be taking you guys out to the Storms River. Great. I will just explain to you guys what will happen from now until when we get back. Okay. Okay. Since it's a nice and warm day, wetsuits are not compulsory. Okay. And we will also give each person one of these jackets. A life jacket. A lot of people, it's not a life jacket. Oh, it's not. Oh. A lot of people
It will not save your life.
Jacket, but this is what we call a personal flotation device. Okay. Okay. It keeps you buoyant. And it also protects your rib cage. Okay. It allows you to float in your belly and on your back. Where a life jacket, on the other hand, only allows you to float on your back. Okay.
Oh.
When you do cliff jumps or rock jumps, the minute you go into the water, this pops you up immediately.
Immediately. Oh, okay.
Mom, you've been cliff jumping, right?
No jumping, not today.
Watch
We
them.
will also give each person a helmet. Now, the helmet is also just there to protect your head, okay? In case you bump your head on a branch or so. But as they say, if you don't have brains, then you don't need a helmet. Alright, now, once we have all our equipment, we will get onto one of our vehicles for about a 20-minute drive to the drop-off point. Okay. Okay. When we get to the drop-off point, there we will then inflate the tubes. Fine. Once the tubes is inflated, each person will get their own tube, and there I will also explain to you guys on how to carry your tube because we will be walking to the starting point. Okay. When we get to the starting point, I will give you guys another safety briefing, just on a few safety measures, and there we will also then demonstrate to you on how to sit in your tube and how to paddle. Okay, so once the safety briefing is finished, we will hook you guys up in a small train and then we'll pull you into the first pool. So once we get into the first pool, okay, you can decide if you want to stay hooked in the train or if you want to start paddling individually. Okay, so we also have a cliff jump which we can do. Yes. But the cliff jump is not compulsory to do, it's optional. So you don't have to do it if you don't feel like it.
Right. Okay.
It ranges from 1.5 meters up to about 6 meters.
Come on, Dad.
Okay. I don't know. So what I would like to ask from you guys is not to pressurize each other into something.
For sure. Especially you.
What am I here for then?
Don't peer pressure. Okay, I would like us all to have a happy and a safe trip. And since all of you are in one piece, I would like to come back here with you in one piece. Good idea.
How long is the trip?
We will be on river for approximately 1.5 hours. So the 3 hours starts from now until when we get back here.
Be back in 3 hours.
Yes, ma'am. So, Blackwater tubing is nothing like whitewater rafting. There's no big rapids or any other sort. Okay. The type of river which we have here is what we call a pool and drop river. So there's calm pools, fast flowing sections, and then calm pools again. Okay. It also takes place in a rocky remote gorge where slipping and falling can occur. But before we start walking, I will explain to you guys on how to prevent slipping and falling. Okay. Is there any of you who is scared of spiders?
Sorry, dear.
Ma'am, all I can say is if you do see one, all you can do is just scream.
But she's good at it.
Very good.
So guys, our journey starts, and apparently we are 4 of us who are doing this at this time. The others who did it in the morning, and I wanted to do it in the afternoon.
Give this to the lady, or?
So here we're being equipped
Oh, that's fine.
with this, floaters. Oh, this one, right? Yeah, I guess.
Where do we sit? On this something?
Yeah.
Can we open this?
Oh, okay, let me see if it's...
Yeah, let's see if it opens.
Mom, this is, I just climb up.
Oh, please, you know who I am.
Help, Mom.
Here, hold on.
There you go.
Got it.
Nice. Careful.
Nothing all the way.
Guys, here we go.
Hello. Let's go.
Let's go.
Blackwater tubing.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Mom, Dad, any last words?
Let's go.
Okay, let's do this.
Also means that you're not allowed to cut down any of these trees or break branches or pick ferns or any of the sort. If it is found that you are doing that, you can go to jail or you can pay a fine up to 100 pounds. Okay. So all the trees and ferns that you find in here, they are indigenous to the area. So it's mainly like the Outeniqua yellowwood, real yellowwood, hard pear, white pear, maltwood, steep, coconut, vegetation. 90% of this
Stealth has cleared the path.
Okay, yeah. Now carrying your tube is exactly the way you're holding it now.
You want me to carry yours? I can.
We're doing fine, Michael.
I'll take one.
Okay. I can do mine. I'm fine.
Okay, this one you get my dad's.
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure.
Okay, when you show me.
All right. Okay, good idea. We're old, remember that?
Here we are entering into the bush.
A little thorn. It's okay. A plant.
Okay.
I'm fine. Okay.
Do you think I'll be able to pass you? Yes, I'm able.
You did it! We're doing it!
Nice. Did you get that on camera? You got that on camera, Dad.
I did not. No, I did not capture that in camera.
Capture everything.
I didn't know you were gonna fall.
You gotta get him on. Come on.
Do not fall.
I'm famous. You're fine. I'm really better.
Guys, this is crazy.
Welcome to our
Thank you.
office.
Thank you.
Very nice office.
Bishop, if you're wondering why the water has the brownish color, it is not polluted.
No.
What?
The water gets its color from a substance called tannin. Tannin is the very same
Tannin,
substance which gives tea the brown color and it gives red wine.
I was expecting black water. You're only giving me brown. What's wrong with you?
Should be brown water tubing.
That's very nice. It's lovely water.
Now the water is drinkable, you can drink the water.
Ooh.
Okay.
But
Oh,
when
yeah,
you drink it,
yeah.
just make sure you drink it upstream from the drink, not downstream,
Yeah.
because we don't know what everybody might be doing.
Yeah.
All right, you're sure.
Especially these guys. I think you're fine.
On rivers, we do not make use of left or right. The reason why is because it is confusing. So to prevent that from happening, we're making use of what we call positive hand signals.
Okay.
Say for instance, we want you to go to a certain point.
Yes.
We'd rather point in the direction
Okay.
where we would like you to go.
Okay.
Okay? If you slip, fall, or if you fall out of the tube and we want to know if you're okay,
Yes.
we'll tap on our heads. It means, are you okay?
Yes.
If you are okay, you tap back, yes, I'm fine.
Okay.
Okay? If you are not okay, you do the distress signal, or you can scream your lungs out.
Yeah. I'm good at that. We're good.
All right?
Good.
Face that way, and then you sit back.
Yes. Okay. Have a seat, big guy.
Nice.
little cold. Right there? Okay, here we are. Don't leak on me. So just stand in front of them and sit back? Yes, sir. Okay, you say so.
So what you do is lift your arms up so that you will hook his feet underneath your arms. You are.
Oh, that's the. Oh, that's the. Oh, okay.
Come here. I got you.
Smell. Yay! It's a video. Oh, okay. She's not. You came up? Oh, okay.
So you got my
Oh,
leg?
my turn.
Yes, your turn.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1. You almost missed it. Oh my goodness.
I wish I could capture that in camera.
Oh boy.
Michael, at 3:07 p.m. At 3:07 p.m. on December 9th, 1985, I did not visit you.
Yeah, we have to move. I'm serious.
We're moving in the way you're doing it.
flashing, Dad. That's better.
Hey guys. Wow, so we started our journey and it was very relaxing and enjoyable. So Storm River is it's located getting warmer at Titicaca National Park, which is at the Eastern Cape province of South Africa. So at this river we were joined together, forming like a train. They call it a train, and this will enable us both move in one direction, systematically going in one direction. And of course, one of the guides was pulling us from the far end, and the other one from a different end. They wasn't pulling us, but showing and telling us what to do and giving us stories and all that.
Yeah, now it's fine.
And what was really good about this river is that it was very clean.
Okay. Well,
The fact that it's black, but it's very clean river.
This is
And
Storms River.
was very peaceful.
Do they have storms here, I
during
bet?
this activity.
Only when the river is flooded.
Okay, well, not today. Oh, that's cool.
So this is where we have the cliff jump.
Huh?
But if you guys want to do it now, we can do it. But we can also do it when we come back.
I think I'll wait. We just got settled.
Yeah, let's keep going.
Let's keep on
We
going.
can do it twice.
No, Mike.
Oh, let's do it twice.
Mike, keep going.
Want to do it? Sure. Michael? Right, there you go. How high up? Right there?
I'm gonna pass.
You can follow Luke. Alright. We'll spectate from down
Let's
here.
spectate. I'm gonna spectate.
Where are you going?
Jump off the cliff.
Good luck.
You gotta like climb up this side there or something?
Mike is always up for the danger. Wait, babe, wait.
Wait!
Wait!
Wait! Alright.
I am waiting.
Good.
Is it okay or should we move back?
5,
We're good.
Are you ready?
5,
Count down to 5 until 1.
4,
3,
3,
2, 1.
Woo!
That's fun.
How was that fun?
Good.
Okay.
Are
you not jumping?
No, I guess Luke has
Come
to go.
on.
Luke, get on down here.
Should we come for you?
Come back,
Okay.
Luke, come back.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was a big one.
Let's leave them here.
Mom, your turn.
No.
No,
No, no.
No, not gonna happen.
Great. I'm a pro.
You're a pro.
So many Disney World water slides, you know?
Wow.
Are we gonna form another
Why does the water
train?
get so much warmer?
What, dear?
Are we gonna
Because there
form another
isn't much of a
train?
current,
Yeah.
and it's also
Film
due
another
to the
train.
sunlight.
Yeah.
Or form another frame. I don't
That's
know.
why it's so warm in this pool.
Yeah, it's very warm.
It's getting colder now.
Hi there. I bet you've done it 4,730 times.
You've done what?
We spent
bet you've done
about
that 4,000
20
times.
minutes
I don't know about
in
4,000.
the river
Maybe
and
couple hundred are you doing?
pedaling, lying on the back and pedaling from the back backwards. What the guy is doing seems to be easy and faster. And of course this river was, we were going in like a circular motion because
He's annoying.
we
He'll find his way
spent like
back.
20 minutes on the first this stop. Then later we were to do a hike, walking
Does
on the
Michael now bring up
rocks,
the rear? Is that what's
which
happening?
was, some of them were
You
kind of
saw us
slippery and sharp, but there was a small rocks that you can walk on,
Are there
sorry.
snakes in the water?
So we will walk or hike, let me say, for about 500 meters and then do surfing, which wasn't that easy for me.
We're going left or right?
So I go backwards now? Now backwards?
Here we are.
Guys, hiking for like you said we are hiking for 500 meters?
Yes.
And then we get back to the
The pedal board.
Right.
And from the pedal board, we're not walking anymore. And we're coming down the small rapid.
right.
Then we're also making our way back to the bridge where we started.
Nice. Tell me if you're enjoying this vlog so far. Give me like, a comment, and please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. So far so good. We're enjoying our walk, and it's a very beautiful forest, peaceful and fun.
All right, here we are.
Guys, I don't know if you can see them. I had to sit down here and wait for them. They've been like literally trying, they're very, very, very much trying, especially Mike's parents. They're old, but they're very physically fit. They like doing hiking and spending time with the young people. That's why they like young people, for sure. Of course, they need a little bit help. You know, these are people who are in their 70s and they're hiking, they're doing this. So for me, they're very, very fit too. They're very strong and healthy people that they can do this. Oh, I can stand there.
Give it a try. Not that hard to stand on.
We are told to stand, and I'm not gonna do that. I'm going just to sit. I can't stand. I can't balance myself. Ooh. Oh, and then you'll be falling all the time.
Babe, you're like always bragging me about your African legs. Like, prove us your balance.
Walking on rocks.
You can carry
yes.
3 people on your head, but you can't.
Oh, 3 people. Are you serious?
Smile.
Oh, looking forward.
What tortures do you have in mind for us next? Only kidding. Only kidding. This is great fun. We're so happy. We're telling everybody to come back here.
We just have to go all the way to South Africa.
Indeed.
Would like you to start by kneeling on the board.
Yes.
When you kneel, just make sure that your knees are shoulder width apart from each other.
Okay.
Okay. If you would like to stand, I would like you to try and stand where the water is a bit deeper.
Yes.
Okay.
No, not an issue for me.
Now you bring your 1 foot forward. Stand up straight away. You can
happen.
keep your knees
Not
slightly
gonna
bent.
happen. Not gonna happen.
Okay.
Which mine? Yes, sir. So am I pointing in the right direction here?
Yes, sir. So walk here.
Please help him.
Come all the way to me.
Here I am. I'll get on my knees.
Yes, sir.
I'll be getting my knees for a lot of things. I'm on. I'm on, sir. I'm on.
Look, you did it.
Okay. You're gonna fall just now, babe. You're going to fall just now. Bye. It's so funny.
There we go.
Shall I move forward here?
Yeah. There we go.
Okay.
Awesome.
I'm gonna knock you.
Stick it straight down and hold you in place.
I don't know how to turn myself. How should we turn?
Which way are we going? Yeah.
Whew. Okay. You know, I'm watching this video and I'm laughing over and over again. You know, I don't know what happened here. I lost control. I always lose control. I could not balance myself. I could not like be able to balance, turn, you know, here and there. And my body tilted and, you know, I fall inside. You know, and the entire time of, you know, kayaking, I was like, it was stressful for me because, you know, I kept on, you know, going round and round. And like, see, I keep on going round and round, bumping myself into like, you know, branches and grass. While others were having like, I'm so disappointed. My whole surfing was stressful because I keep on going in circles, keep on going round and round and round and round and round. Ah! But the others are doing very well. Look at Michael, he's been standing the whole time. And Michael's parents they're not even doing anything, they're just laying down and they're just flowing easily. For me, it's been work. Well, I think it requires some skills and all that. And by the way, I fall inside so my tube turned. This is a different tube. So my tube turned upside down and I fall inside. Help. Sorry.
Two pairs of sunglasses.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just had nothing, anything I couldn't get. I took it on my own.
Some people, I don't know what happened to the lady. How did the lady lose her picture? Take it off.